Okay, so shall we start? Thank you for coming. Okay, can you hear me? Can you see me? Huh? Can you hear me? Can you see me? Can you see the screen? Okay. Hi, Leah. Good. Nice, nice. Nice, good. Okay. Unfortunately, I came to campus, but I'm at the faculty housing now. But however, unfortunately, I cannot step into the campus because I need to go to two more weeks of quarantine, and total five weeks of quarantine. I'm sorry, but however, that's happening, and I know many of you cannot come to the campus for 2 weeks. So school want to make us a remote class for 2 weeks. Okay, this week, next week, we will have a remote class. Is it okay? Is it okay to have a remote? Okay, I'm sorry, it happens. And however, yeah, when we come to the campus, okay, so I will make you more fun. I bet. And absolutely, I will torture you better. But how about this week and the next week? We will go to the basic. We will go to the basic and the foundation or the principles of the basic, something about the operations management. Okay, good. And I don't want to torture you for 2 weeks. So yeah, probably I will guide you. I will guide you what is the operations management, what is the management, what is the basic business something this week and the next week, and then you may need to write an essay. But however, I will let you have more time, not next week. Okay. So first 2 weeks, let's try to get interested in what we are learning about at the operations management. Okay. Got it? Can you hear me? Good, good. Okay, so this course, this course is operations management. Operations management, and maybe you may have a perception about it. The operations management would be the very mathematical or the quantitative something. I know. Okay, and I was an engineer. I was a mechanical engineer and I was a product manager at the Bosch for 7 years. So I know what the hell is the operations management. But however, in my understanding, in my decision, in my mind, you don't need to go into a deep about it, the calculating something. Because operations management has a more bigger pictures. Not just for calculating something, every single something, and then programming some operations managerial, the decision making, or the what is the linear programming, and then what is that? The Carlo, yeah, Monte Carlo simulation, or the cost accounting, or managerial accounting, or ERP something. Okay. I respect that, but however, I think you don't need to go into that. You'd better to have a basic and a fundamental understanding. What is the purpose of the operations management, and what is the core value, or what is the core principles of the operations management? Okay, so that means I will ask you a very complex calculation. Is it okay? And however, if somebody want to do the more complex, hi professor, I want to learn about the Monte Carlo simulation or linear programming or the something, please come to me. I will help you. But however, in this course, in this semester, I don't want to go deep into the quantitative calculation. But however, I want to let you get interested in what is the operation, how we can deal with it, how we can manage that kinds of the processes. Okay. Okay. So that means that will be easy. Okay. This course will not be difficult. This course will be easy. Okay. I don't want to torture you, but I want to make you happy. I want to let you have a basic understanding and get interested in the operations itself, because that's tough. Okay? Good. And this is the course outline. This is course outline, and maybe I share that course syllabus. So today, maybe we'd better to go to the syllabus first. Syllabus. So everything is in the Google Classroom. Everything is in the Google Classroom, and then you can download all the syllabus, course materials, homeworks, assignment, everything at the Google Classroom. Okay. So if you need anything, please go to the Google Classroom, and then you can see that. You can see all the files. Yeah, I want to show the Google Classroom, but however, this system does not show that. I'm sorry. Anyway, we will see. So this is a syllabus. Okay, can you see the syllabus? Okay, good. So this course, basically, this course is a lecture. This is the course of the face-to-face. Okay. However, for 2 weeks, unfortunately, yeah, thanks to the pandemic, thanks to the COVID-19. Okay, so we will have a remote. And basically, this is the offline course. This is a face-to-face course. Good. And every Tuesday and every Tuesday and Thursday, 1 p.m. to 2:15, we will have a lecture. We will have a class. Okay. Good. In what else? Yeah, my office hour is Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday sometime. Okay. And maybe if you have any questions, if you want to see me, you can come to my office after 2 weeks later. Okay. And however, yeah, you have my WeChat. Everybody has my WeChat. We have a group. We have a WeChat group. Okay. So if you have any question, if you want to do something, if you want to ask something, okay, so please leave a message at the WeChat group. We work together, and we will help you. I will help you. Don't worry. Okay. So next, blah blah blah. Learning objective something. Where is mine? Okay. So, yeah. Syllabus. Why this is not showing that? 2 page, number 2. Yep. Okay, number 2. Course students learning outcomes, blah blah, discuss the terms of them. Specifically, this course is aimed to the strategy learning objective. Okay. Page 3. Where is page 3? In the page 3, yeah, we will use the remote class. We will use the Blackboard as a remote tools. Okay, and textbook. So I already shared the textbook, and this course will use at the OER, the online education resource. That means that that's you don't need to buy a textbook. Okay, you don't need to buy a textbook, and you can download the textbook at the shared website. Okay, there is a textbook download, and I already shared that at the WeChat group. If you don't, okay, so maybe I'd better to resource instructor class PPT. Where is textbook operations? Yeah, okay. If you didn't get the textbook, okay, here is a textbook. I shared that at the WeChat group, so you can download that. Okay, absolutely, that is free, and that is for the online. That is for the free education something. So I follow that. So don't worry, this is a textbook, and all the materials are available at the Google Classroom. Okay, so all the teaching materials, all the learning materials, and the homeworks or assignment must be available at the Google Classroom. Please use that. Okay, good. And the textbook, you can refer that. Okay, maybe you can read something. Okay, and assessment course. Originally, so we must have 3 exams. and the 5 homers. 3 exam and the 5 homers. But unfortunately, we cannot follow that. We cannot follow that. Yeah, because at the 2 weeks remote and almost immediately we will have what is that? What is that? The full moon day? Full moon day soon. So what is that? Yeah, from September 19 to 20 that week, we will have a festival, the fall festival, isn't it? Fall festival. September 19 to 22, right? Huh? So September Fall Festival, September 19 to 22. Okay. So then, yeah, technically speaking, we may lose around 3 or 4 weeks. So I am thinking that we may have exam 1 and 2. And homeworks or course assignment, I will talk with you later. Okay? But one thing is clear, we cannot complete the 3 exams and the 5 homeworks. Okay? So we'd better to reduce something. We'd better to reduce. Okay? So I will negotiate with that. 22 until 22 according to calendar. Whatever. Okay, so 22. Yeah, we don't have a class. That's it. Anyway, so yeah, we will talk and we will negotiate. Let's negotiate. Let's negotiate with it. Okay. So exam number of the exam or the homeworks we need to negotiate. Okay, good. And the grade. So if you get the 93 percentile more A, and the others blah blah blah. Okay. And yeah, there is no rank and yank. So then I don't care how many students got the A. If you are good at, okay, that's everybody can get A. No worry. And usually many of my students got A from me because I'm one of the most easygoing teacher. Personally, I'm not a good teacher. I don't like my teacher. Being a teacher is for me, that is by accident. Anyway, yeah, so I will be nice to you. I want to be nice to you. And then, yeah, please help me to be nice to you. Okay. So then if you need any help, if you need any support, if you need something, don't be hesitate to come and see me. Okay. So don't be afraid. You don't need to be afraid of me. And many of you already took my courses, the business statistics, principles of management, or the organizational behavior, and you know what am I talking about. Okay. Good. And the course is structured like this: the first week to 15 weeks. And we will start with the introduction of the management, introduction of the operations management. What is the problem? What is the purpose of the operations management? Okay, and then chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, forget it, and we just follow the module. And module 1, introduction and the basic understanding. And module 2, process management. Operations management is nothing but managing each process. Okay, and we will learn about it, how we can deal with it and how we can set up the processes. And then I definitely will share one of the best and one of the world-class process management tools. Okay, because that was my job. That was my job. So I'd better to share that what I did at the workplace, and then maybe you can replicate that. Okay. Okay, and using operation to create the value. Okay, how we can use the operations management in order to create new values. Okay, that we will talk. And process strategy and analysis. We have tons of thousand process management, processes, project, blah, blah, blah. We have tons of thousand need to work to do. Absolutely. But I just want to focus on one simple process management tools because that is one of the best practice in the world, and we will learn about how to follow, how to manage the process. But absolutely, that is also related with the project management. That comes from the Bosch that I worked, okay? And maybe you will learn about how we can set up a process and how we can deal with it, how we can control that processes, okay? Then managing quality. What is the purpose of the operations? We want to produce something, okay? We want to produce something, product quantity. However, what if we produce a lot of garbages? Does it make sense? Do you want to produce garbage, or do you want to produce the best, excellent product? Absolutely. Customers need and want to get the best, excellent product. That means quality product. Quality, not quantity. What if you pay a lot of money to get an Apple iPhone 13? Okay, soon, yeah, we will have an iPhone 13. And what if you invest a lot of money to get the iPhone 13 and that unfortunately, the iPhone 13 has a quality problem. There is a cracked glass or scarred surface or not working software, and camera is totally awkward. Are you happy? Can you be happy? What will you do? Okay, so that is my question. What will you do if you get a defective product? What will you do? Ask me, just simply refund? Just simply refund? Alan, what will you do if you pay a lot of money, but however you got a defective quality product? Ask for what you want. Simply ask, do you want? Are you that kind? Just refund, file a complaint, okay? What would be what will happen if you have a very bad customer like me? Huh? Compensation. You cannot be nice. Fire. How you can fire the factory? Can you fire the Apple? No, you can't. How? What would be the reaction of the customer? What would be the reaction of a customer? Oh, absolutely. What will you do if you got a defective product, broken Apple iPhone 13, or some not good BMW, not scarred, or the defective Mercedes Benz, or the Burberry, Chanel? What will happen if you got a defective quality product there? What will you do? Low. That's one thing. That's one thing. Yeah, claim the law. Okay, so go to the court. Okay, we call that is a PL. PL is a product liability. Okay, we have a PL law, and then if a product is not good enough as advertised, we can sue and we can go to the court, and the court can give you a lot of compensation. Okay, that's one thing. In the US, that's quite popular. Product liability is a big problem. Customer association, that's another good idea. Okay. But however, what is the most immediate action? What is reaction? What is the most immediate reaction of yourself if you get a defective product, poor quality product? Hmm? Marketing administration, what is that? Marketing administration supervision? What is that? No, take a picture report. Yeah, that's one thing. That's one thing. Take a report. If I were you, if I got a poor quality of product or service, my first reaction is anger. Don't you think so? Government. Yeah, I want to. But however, many times we don't need to go to the government because the government cannot control over that. No, that's not a government work. That's the work between the business and customer. Business and customer. Okay, business and customer. There is no government work. Okay, find out the reason and repair it. Why do you need to repair that? You need to get immediately. You must get a new one immediately. But however, what is the immediate response or the reaction of an unhappy customer? Anger, fight, complain. Complaint and conflict. Something. That means you need to deal with unhappy and angry customers. What will happen if you have a lot of unhappy customers? And then what will happen if you have a lot of angry customers? Can you make a business? No matter what, okay, so government or customer association, whatever, okay. Before that, if you make your customers unhappy, or if you make your customers, buyers angry, what will happen? Can you make a business? No. Probably no. Okay. Because angry customers, they will fight against with me and they will occupy my time, they will occupy my energy, and they will occupy my resources. And unhappy customers, they will not return to my business again. Simple. Let's make it simple. What will happen if we do not have customers? No customers. What is the meaning of the no customer? That means no sales. That means no revenue. No, I did not say about it. I did not say about it. Revenue. Profit is different. Yeah, profit is different. But however, at least we cannot create revenue. We cannot increase our revenue. No revenue, no sales, no customer, no sales, no revenue. But still, we can make money. We can make a profit. Okay, so if we can dramatically reduce the cost, and if we got a outside investment or something, okay, we can do a business. But all right, one thing is clear: we cannot make a sales or revenue if we have a lot of angry customers. So if we have a lot of unhappy customers, how we can make our customers happy? How can we make our customers happy. Simple. Make them. Not make them. Okay. No, not compensation policy. Let them have a quality service or product. That's it. Anything more? Absolutely, somebody say, okay, so if we keep the good customer relations, blah blah blah, and if we marketize something, okay, maybe we can. No, never, ever. Customers want to get a good quality of product and service. That's a one-on-one. That's a one-on-one. That's a fundamental. Marketing, compensation, HR, or some tariff or advantage, something, promotion, that's a secondary. What is the core value of the customer? Value. How we can let our customers have a value? Quality. Don't you think so? Absolutely. Google, or not Google, Apple can let you have an Apple iPhone 13, nice, fancy, and Samsung will let you, Samsung can provide you a nice, fancy Galaxy Fold. And Xiaomi can give you a very nice, fancy, foldable something, mobile. Okay, but what if that product has a very poor quality? Do you care about their compensation? Do you care about their price? Do you care about their service? No. Quality first. No more. No matter what. Fundamental, basic, value comes from quality. Customers' value comes from quality of service and product. Marketing, advertisement, compensation, and some techniques, some bullshit. You can think of that later. You'd better to focus on the best quality of the product and service. That is the reason why we need to learn about the operations management, because by using the operations management, we can improve, we can secure, and we can guarantee the quality. Finance, accounting, oh yeah, thank you. In order to make a good quality of the product and service, that's a secondary, that's a supportive function. Operations management is related with major functions, primary actions of a business. You learn about it, the finance, accounting, HR, OB, or the another leadership something, but that is a secondary activities, supporting activities. What is the primary, what is the core functions or the activities of a business? Operations. Why we do operation? In order to make a quality product and service, timely manner. Okay, so in the module 2, we will tap the quality a little. Okay. Quality, good. And throughout the whole semester, we will learn about the process and quality. Okay, and there is a quality process. Throughout the whole semester, we will learn about how to make a quality process. Okay, make it clear. It's clear. We will learn about mainly quality process. Mainly. Okay. Good. And module 3, Module 3. Module 3 is for the lean system, lean management system, or lean system, or that is aka Toyota production system, Toyota system, or Toyota TPS, or the Toyota TPS, Toyota production system, whatever. So yeah, lean system. We will learn about the lean management system. And lean management system is a part of the quality process management. Quality process management. And actually, the lean system was invented in the US, but however, that is get more popular in Germany, and that is get popularized and disseminated, and then that is the Japanese the Toyota lead that kinds of the new concept of the quality process management. We define that as a Toyota management system, Toyota production system, or we define that as a lean system, lean management system, lean, skinny, okay? And the core concept of the lean management system is don't do unnecessary things. For what? What is the purpose of the don't do unnecessary things? What is the purpose of that? In order to reduce cost. We have tons of thousand unnecessary functions and activities and unnecessary things at the business. We, business guys, we operations, we want to dramatically reduce that kinds of the unnecessary things. Because those kind of the unnecessary things is cost. For example, do you know the Netflix? Anybody use a Netflix? Okay. And do you know the company? Netflix company. Do you know the Netflix company? Okay. And Netflix do not have this kind of functions. HR, accounting, finance. Netflix do not have HR. Netflix do not have HR. Netflix do not have an accounting department. Netflix do not have a finance department. Those kind of things are outsourced. That means HR, accounting, finance, and that kinds of the supporting functions, supporting activities or functions are all outsourced. That's not on Netflix. That's just a third-party service. Oh yeah, what is your major? Okay, so the accounting and finance. Oh, you don't have any chance to go to the Netflix as an accountant or finance because there is no department. Why? And is it possible? In WKU, we have accounting, finance, HR, and logistics, blah, 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 blah. Is it necessary? Absolutely, it is necessary in our company, in our school. But in the Netflix company, the technology company, is it necessary? They didn't think so. They didn't think so, and they get rid of that kinds of things. HR, accounting, finance. No, that is not our core value. That is not our core something. That is not our quality source. That is not our customer new value something. No. We just get rid of that kinds of unnecessary things. We learn about the concept of the lean system. And then in order to learn about how to get rid of that kinds of unnecessary things, and that we call that is that kinds of the unnecessary things as muda. And in Chinese, you have in Chinese that's wuyong, right? 무용, 무다 그래서 무용. Alright. Give me a second. 우용. Do you know what the 우용? Yeah. 무용. Alright. Where is my? Yeah. 우용. Right? 오이? 무용. Do you, anybody know the 무용? No use. Yeah. Okay. Can you, exactly. 올리버 나이스. 무용. 오, yeah. 무용. Okay. Useless. Useless. Okay. Useless. Exactly. Okay. Useless. Okay. 무용. Okay. So that is called in Japanese 무다. Okay. So the purpose of the lean management is we want to dramatically reduce, we want to eliminate, we want to remove, we want to get out, we want to kick out the 무다, 우용. That is the core concept of the lean system. Okay. And throughout in module 3, we will learn about that. In the module 3, we will learn about how we can get rid of that kinds of unnecessary things. Okay. That will be fun, and you have an advantage because you can read and write Chinese. Yeah. Gated. Yeah. Okay. So that is yeah. Okay. You will learn about. You have an advantage of that. Okay. So in lean system, we will learn about how to get rid of the 무용, 무다. And module 4, we will learn about the BOM and the supply chains. BOM is a bill of materials. Have you ever heard about this BOM? You must learn about that at the MIS or the managerial accounting. Did you learn that? On this BOM? BOM. Have you ever heard about the BOM? No. Anybody know? Anybody heard the BOM? Nobody. Who is here? Okay, so Angel. Have you ever heard about the BOM? Ivan, did you hear about that BOM? BOM. Gloria, Nicole. No, never. No. Oh. Ah. Probably. Did you take the MIS, Management Information System, this semester? Anybody will take that the MIS this semester? Okay. Absolutely. In the MIS, you will learn about it. And I will tap that. a little. Okay. BOM is the bill of materials. Okay, so for example, so this is my iPhone. Okay, and do you know what is the cost? What is the price of this? Susan, are you using iPhone? Okay, so how much is it? How much was it? How much? That's around $1,000. $1,000. How much was it? And for me, this was around $800. That's a cheaper one. Okay, so 5,000 RMB. Okay, that's around. Yeah, let's assume that is around $1,000. Okay. Okay. So, however, can you guess what is the total So if you want to produce this, okay, what is the original cost of this product? Yeah, you pay around $1,000. And what is the price of this? What is the cost of this to produce one iPhone? Can you guess? Oh. $100? No, little bit higher. Yeah, we cannot do this. We cannot make these just $200 because there are a lot of fraud. Yeah, higher. Higher. Lower. No, around. Okay. So around, that is around $350. Around. And okay, so what is the margin of the iPhone? That's around $6,500. Okay. However, what is the price? What is the cost? Product cost. Oh, Xiaomi. If that is that's around $600. $600. Price is around $600 or the $700. That's cheap. Product cost. It's higher than iPhone. That's around 350 to 450, unfortunately. So technically, Xiaomi produce poor quality of the product with a higher price. Then here is a question: how Apple could make this kind of product as low as possible, as low cost as possible, with a premium price. Premium price, we will learn about it, the marketing. You will learn about the marketing or the premium strategy, something. However, our question is how Apple could make this quality product with a lower product cost. That is the operation cost. Operational excellency. We need to know. We need to have this. Apple has a good productivity, while another companies like Xiaomi, Huawei, Can we catch up with that kinds of the operational excellency? Why not? That's the reason why we learn about the operations. That's the purpose of your learning about the operations. You need to make your business more productive throughout increasing revenue or decreasing cost. We are mainly talking about the decreasing cost. If we make an excellent operational management, okay, we can dramatically reduce the cost. In parallel, that is also related with automation, robot, artificial intelligence. We will talk about that. Okay? Good. And finally, we will cover the product management. Okay? So product management, we get to know how to deal with the product and the product production and the product cost and the product management. And then we'll get to know how to build up the product by using the very scientific bill of materials. We will learn about the MIS system a little, and we will make a strategy how we can make operation. Then we must implement that kinds of idea into action. Okay? So what is the meaning of the CEO? Do you know what is a chief blah 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 officer? What is this? And executive. Exactly. Good. Okay. What is the meaning of execution? Executive to execute. What is the meaning of the execute? Talk or action? Decision? No. Decision is one thing. No. A chief executive officer, absolutely, one of the most important part is decision, action. Ab- Absolutely action. Many misunderstand the CEO or the CFO or the chief or HCHRO or the executive managers. Managers talk and order, the demand talk and order and the decision something. No, we business take action. We work. We work. We work for what? We make action. We execute. We create something by our behavior, by our action. Our scientific actions to achieve some goals is related as projects. That is the reason why we need to know about the product management in operations. We will learn about the project, okay, and how to forecast the demand, managing inventories, planning and the scheduling operations, and that is also related with quality process management. Got it? So this course, I don't want to go in detail about it, how we can calculate something in order to produce 1.5 million per day versus something 2.5 and the forecasting and something, and we need to conduct a simulation, and by using the artificial intelligence or the machine learning, we can do something. We can design the auto-guided vehicles or the logistics and the something. No, I don't want to go there. I want to let you have a basic understand and the basic concepts and the basic principles of the operation. This is not enough, I know. However, this will be a nice start. That will be a nice start to go into the operational excellency. Okay? So, Module 1, Introduction, General Understanding. Module 2, Process Management, especially for the quality process management. Lean Management, the Lean Management System. How we can get rid of the 무다, 무용, unnecessary things. And we will cover the BOM and the supply chain in order to dramatically reduce the cost, product cost. Okay, and we will learn about the project management, how we can organize that kinds of things in order to take action. Okay, that's what we covered. Okay, any questions so far? Any question about it, the course structure? Any question? Exam, we will negotiate. Homework, we will negotiate. Oh yeah, one principle. Okay, everything is negotiable in this course. If you want to negotiate, don't be afraid. I accept. And then, yeah, we need to talk and we need to negotiate. Business. Word. Business is negotiation. I think so. Oh, unfortunately, I'm not a good teacher. Oh, I don't want to be a teacher. Yeah, this is my accent. Yeah, business is business. Okay, business is not an education. I'm sorry, I don't want to be an educator. Oh, I hate teachers. I hate teachers. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, teachers always. Yeah, torture used to. Now, so I want to treat you not my students. I want to treat you as my business partner and the young newbies to the business world. I don't want to treat you as a young adult to make a business. Negotiable. Don't worry. Okay, good. No question? So far okay? So far so good? Okay. Benjamin? Hi, Leah. Okay, so far so good. Nice, nice, nice. So far so good. Okay, good, good, good. Yeah. I want to torture you in a class. But unfortunately, this is a remote. Yeah, torture. Yeah, torture. Torture. Yeah. So, yeah, this is, yeah. Okay, so this is, okay. So whatever, okay. Torture. If I can make something happen, I want to torture. If the torture can make the people work, I want to torture. Especially in the operations, I want to torture. Yeah, I want to make it work. Yeah, but I can't. Unfortunately, many cases we cannot torture people. So that is the reason why we learn about this kind of sophisticated and management. We need to manage people, not torture, because we cannot torture people. But however, if I can torture people to make money, I will do it. I do not afraid of that. I will not hesitate to do that. I'm a business. Anyway, many cases we cannot torture, and then we need to learn about management, operations management. Okay, so then shall we go forward? Okay, and there is an important date assessment, and the school want to make you work something, and there is a few number of the ethics something, quantitative literacy, something diversity. I respect. Okay, and the school want to do it. Okay, so that, and important to university policy. Yeah, university want to do something. Okay, don't kill somebody. Okay, so please, don't kill somebody. Okay, and then I cannot protect you from the killing somebody. But however, except that something, if except that killing somebody, okay, everything will be okay. If you can, don't be afraid. Do it. If we can make money, I will do it. Whatever I can do, sustainably. We will talk about a sustainable operation something. Okay, and probably I would like to introduce a new concept of the ESG management. Anybody heard about the ESG management? ESG is the environment, social, and the governance management. And then many times the capitalistic countries, capitalistic management, we call that is a scientific management or the capitalistic something. And that does not work well in terms of the sustainability, operational sustainability. So recently, we are now talking about the environmental protection. Yeah, climate change or environment and many of the heavy metal materials. Okay, and we have a lot of the environmentally hazardous materials in the mobile or the cars or the many products. We want to get rid of that because that is not sustainable. And the social value creation. Okay, so even though, do you know that the Amazon, do you know Amazon, Google, Facebook, how many tax they pay now in the US? In the US, Amazon, Google, Facebook, or the big MS, Microsoft, and those large big tech companies, how many tax they pay in a year? Do you know? Can you guess? Do you believe that these tech companies pay a lot of tax? A lot of tax? Yes or no? They pay a lot of tax? No, no. They pay a lot of tax. They pay a lot of tax. But they got many tax benefit from society. They pay a lot of tax. Yeah, that is true. They pay a lot of tax because they make a lot of money. They pay around the 35% of the profit tax. They pay. However, behind of the curtain, they got a lot of tax benefit. They got a lot of tax benefit. So, technically speaking, they pay zero tax. They pay tax, they got benefit. Give and take. And that is almost zero. No. Anybody don't know? Anybody don't know they paid a lot of, yeah, but they got a lot of tax benefit from society. Is it good for society? Is it good for society? Do you think so? Is it sustainable? Then how we can make our business operation sustainable in a society. Then how we can make our business operation sustainable in a society or in the world economy. This is related with the societal problem. Business need to think about the society. Okay? And in order to keep this kind of a sustainable business operation, we need to think of the governance. So this is ESG management. And recently we are now start talking about this kind of the new concept of the management. That is not a very traditional capitalist or the libertarian or the liberal management. This is somewhat more social management or social something we are talking about, because we want to make our business sustainable in a society. So that is related with this kind of the operations management. We want to make our business operations sustainable in a society. Can we make it? Can we make our business sustainable? Business operation sustainable? That is my question. I hope so, but I don't know. I hope so, but I don't know. That is the reason why we are learning about it, the operations management. That's the reason why we are studying about it, operations management. That's the reason why we need to research, to create a more better idea. There is no exact answer. I don't know. Me either. Even though I worked in 30 years, I worked in this kind of field in more than 30 years. Still, I have no answer. I don't know. I have no exact. If I don't have exact solution. I tried something. I tried something. I tried something that sometimes it's working and sometimes it doesn't work, and I need to do something else. I want to improve something else, and I want to do it again. I want to do it. I take action. And I don't know. I'm sharing my idea. I'm sharing my concern. I'm sharing my mistake. Yeah, you know that I'm stupid. I know. I made a lot of mistakes. I failed tons of thousand times. You don't need to experience my mistakes. You don't need to be smart. You need to be smarter than myself. You need to be smarter than a professor. You need to be smarter than a teacher. That's the reason why we are learning from the teacher. And personally, I graduated the University of Illinois, and you must go to the better school. Okay, you must go to the better school because I graduated that. You learn from me, and you must go to the better school. Whatever. Okay, I expect you get interested in my problems, and then let's keep talking about it. How we can make this business operation better, make it more sustainable, make it more better, make the sustainable profit to keep our people, to make our people better, to sustain the prosperity, to make our people more happier, to make our customers happy. Let's keep talking. Okay. Good. And students disability title X. Okay, so okay, good. And then please read carefully about it. The school want. Okay, but however, that's the school's want. Okay, and then my only one rule is don't kill somebody. That's all. Okay, if you do not kill somebody, okay, you can do whatever you can, whatever you want, and then please negotiate with me. Let's talk about it. Bring a better idea. No, don't follow my way. You need to bring a better idea than myself. Okay, so that's what I want. Good. Okay, and I think that's all today. And then, do you have any question? Please come to the Google Classroom. Give me a second. How many students I have in the Google Classroom? I have 57 students. 57 students, and that means I must have out of the total 64. I have 64 students. Okay. And what is happening on the WeChat group? And I have 68 students. Who are the 4? Who are the others? Get out! Get out! I have 68 students. Who are the 4 unnecessary students? Huh? That's fine. That's fine. You can stay here. That's fine. I don't care. That's fine. Okay. Good. Any question or any concern or any suggestion? If you have any question, if you have any concern, if you have any suggestion, okay, and maybe you can leave it at the WeChat group, and I will address that. I will help you out. Okay, so far so good. Okay. Idea. Okay, good. And let's lab up today. And then After tomorrow, okay, we will have the second class, and I wish that I can fix a problem of some of this system, and then I can show. Give me a second. Let's check it out. Let's show the set of camera sharing. Okay, let's check it out. Why this is not working? No. Okay. Can you see this? Can you see the Google Classroom? Why this is not shared? I want to share. I want to share the screen, but however that it does not show. Stop sharing. Clear annotation line something. Drawing, brushing. Yeah. Page. Okay, with this. No, that's not working. Yeah, okay. I will see that. I will see how I can share the screen. Okay, I will see that. Good. And okay, so that's it. I will check it out with my technology problems. Okay. Then, if there is no question, okay, so let's wrap up, and I will see you I will see you after tomorrow, the Thursday. I will see you Thursday, 1 p.m. here, remote. Okay, until next week. Can I see you on Thursday, 1 p.m.? Okay, good. Thank you, and I will see you on Thursday. Bye, Ann, bye Aria, bye Dan, and bye Lu Cheng, bye Susan. Thank you. Bye Dan, bye Ivy.